She left her highest paying job and worked part-time as a barista in a coffee shop to fulfill her dream to build an online business. But why should we pay close attention to her YouTube success? What do I think qualifies her as a digital entrepreneur? At the time of recording this video, she stands at 641,000 subscribers, more than half of million, along with 10 million views that she got in the last 3 months only. In the terms of revenue generation, she easily be making $6,000 to $7,000 a month, more than $70,000 every year from ad revenue alone. What is Vanessa knows something about YouTube that we don't? In this video, we are going to break down how she is beating the YouTube algorithm to reach new people every day. Let's get straight to the step 1, content pillars. When she started, she experimented with different kinds of content, quitting 9 to 5 job, social media, mindset, productivity, personal development, and her social media videos and quitting 9 to 5 videos worked so well. One of her social media video got 6.3 million views, literally got viral, and still this video getting views every day. It's not the only video that worked well. This video, how to start a YouTube channel. Another video, quit 9 to 5. These videos went viral within 3 months of starting YouTube channel. One of the reason her videos was working so well because these videos are so real with full of value without any fancy setup. People easily be able to relate with her videos and they feel connected with her. Then she played very smart. She just doubled down on what was working on her channel. So nearly after posting for 3 months, she got exact idea what kind of content audience wants to learn from her, wants to see. And then she doubled down on those videos that were successful. And that is the turning point where she actually starts seeing growth on her YouTube channel. Then she did not stop. She back to back made power-packed videos with full of value on social media about YouTube, Instagram, personal brand. She was not just sharing her success, she was showing her real side, her failures, her setbacks, and that makes her real and unique, different from other YouTubers. She also shared when his YouTube channel was not going well. She was not getting much views as compared she was getting before, and that made people feel her real and genuine, and they feel connected with her. Everything we have discussed above is important, but there is something missing. That also the main reason of her success. Vanessa discovered the ultimate titles and thumbnail strategy. So let's start by looking at the titles. Most of the titles are keyword rich. Plus there is a clicky and emotional element. If you look at this title, 10 million views in 3 months. This is the clicky and emotional element. And how to build content machine. This part related to keywords. Reels that get views in 2023. It's a keyword rich part. 50,000 plus views with minimal work. This is the emotional and clicky element that makes people to click on her video. Also, there is even more to learn from her thumbnails. She puts so much efforts on her thumbnails. Recently, she is doing split test on thumbnails to see what kind of thumbnails get more clicks. Every day I found different thumbnails on her videos. She is testing with different colors, different text, different pictures, different theme. Also, she used bright colors in all her thumbnails. That makes her thumbnails stand out from other thumbnails. Also, there is an extreme emotions that make thumbnails more clicky. She used big and highlighted text. It's a very small thing but makes much difference. I personally tested it. Also, there is only 3 to 4 words, not too much text, just to give only some context to the audience. Another best thing she is doing with the thumbnail is she is changing the thumbnails of her old videos, and many times videos get blow up after changing the thumbnail, starts getting views again and again. I saw many big creators use this same strategy to get more views on their thumbnails. You can also try the same strategy. It's a proven strategy. Change the thumbnail of your old videos and literally your video can get viral just by changing the thumbnail. But only having clicky thumbnails and searchable titles are not going to make your video viral. If your content does not have that magic that can hook your viewers and make them to watch the video till the end. Because real magic is in actual content, which take us to the step 3. Let's break down some of the most popular videos of Vanessa to see how she makes video that algorithm loves and recommend to more and more people. First 5 to 10 second of your video is so important because in just 5 to 10 second 60 to 70% of the viewers leave the video. If you're able to retain that viewers, it's going to be game changer for you. Your video literally get viral.
There is about 40 questions that new YouTubers are not asking themselves before they start their channel that's causing their channels to die prematurely.
She starts her video with the strong hook that is almost related to the title to make sure the audience that they are going to get what they click for. She keeps her intro short, around 30 seconds and to the point.
In today's video, I'm going to walk through my thought process of what I would do if I was starting my YouTube channel today to ensure my channel's success. Let's dive into it.
Just give some content to the audience, what they are going to watch in the video, and then just come straight to the content. Now let's talk about the content part, what she does to make people watch her video till the end. She divides her content into 5, 6 or some steps, and that make video easy to understand. Also to keep viewers engaged and focus more, there is a text appearing on the screen. She use transition whenever she move to the another point or something important coming. She use a lot stock photos and videos to interrupt the pattern, because if the viewers keep watching the same screen, they will get bored and there is high chance they will leave the video. She use subject icons like here is TikTok, Insta. There are different kind of icons he use according to the content. And after every 4 to 5 seconds, something appearing on the screen or the screen changes every time. And that makes the viewer stick to the video. Also, there is a lot of editing effect, zoom in, zoom out, camera angle changes, lot of different transition she used in her videos. Also, she focused very much on the session time. To increase her session time, she is suggesting any one of her video at the end of her videos. She just not leave her audience just by watching one of her video. She exactly tell them and she send her viewers to the next video, so that people instead of watching videos from another channel, they watch her videos, and that will going to increase her session time, because YouTube focuses more on session time than watch time. Also, there are some other factors that helped her to build her YouTube empire that you might don't know. First is Omnipresence. She also create content on other platform also, like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. She posts lots of short form content on YouTube also, Instagram, TikTok. She has a huge following on Instagram and also on TikTok. Not directly, but her presence on all the social media platform indirectly helped her to build his YouTube empire. Another factor is consistency. She is consistently making videos on YouTube from 4 years, and that is also one of her biggest success secret that most of the YouTubers failed to do. Her secret of consistency is to batch create all the content. Now, if you want to know how Noah Kagan beating the YouTube algorithm and got 6.81 million views in last 30 days, then click here and watch this video.